Hey guys, welcome to the Edgar Experimental Mine here in Idaho Springs. Back behind me, you'll see the entrance to the mine. We have two sides, the Miami side and the Army side. We're gonna start our tour on the Miami side. All right, this is the Miami portal. This used to be an old gold and silver mine back in the mid 1800s. The school bought it and we've been learning and working here ever since. Welcome to our underground classroom. This is used by a variety of disciplines. This is where we have a bunch of labs up here, especially as mining engineers, but geology uses it, physics uses it. This is a pretty cool place. We're one of the only underground classrooms in the world, so it's a pretty fun place to have class. Let's dive into the map and see where we actually are underground right now. So, this is our map. This is the original workings, the Miami Tunnel. Everything that's not this tunnel right here is all student driven over the past 100 years. Right now, we're in the USGS room. This is our classroom, and you can see all of our working drifts and development, and we have all sorts of different experiments going on throughout the mine. Welcome to the explosives display. This is most people's favorite part of the tour. Here you can see we have a mock setup of a face. So you can see it's made of a bunch of holes that we drill out in a specific pattern, and then we load all the holes and we use different delays so that the rock in the face blows up in a certain order. Welcome to the museum here underground. Here we have a bunch of old technology, old drills that we used to use. Right here we start at the most modern drills that we still use today. And as you go down the line, the drills get progressively older throughout. Welcome to the underground quantum computer lab. This is a room that we've been working on for a little while. This is a collaboration with the physics department and the mining department. We just finished excavating this room. This is the perfect spot for the quantum computing. This is the deepest part of our mine, so we'll have the least amount of interference. The physics department is going to build a clean room right here where they'll actually have their computer. Welcome to the subatomic particle hideout. This was the first lab that we built to test quantum computing. It's a collaboration between the physics department and the mining department. We're right at the transition point where we change from the more old school, smaller drifts, about 6 feet by 8 feet tall drifts, transitioning to the Army side. This is what you'll find in a more modern mine. So you'll see the transition as we walk through here. The mine really opens up. This is what you'll find in typical modern day mines. Large mines, you can drive full-size equipment, full-size trucks. Everything over here is mechanized, the drilling, the loading, everything. On the other side, it's all done by hand. Hey guys, welcome to the Petroleum Drift. This is the area where the Petroleum students get to do their summer session, get hands-on experience with tools that they'll use in the real world. So it's a pretty great place to learn. This is our underground refuge chamber. This is where we would go in the event of an emergency. Behind me, you can see we have our life support system. Here we have oxygen tanks, air scrubbers, water, anything that you would need. This is our mine rescue training room. This is a pretty cool room. We have a maze set up in here. It's utilized by both our schools team and teams from real mines. Well guys, up above me on top of the hillside and above the mine is the Explosives Research Laboratory. Pretty cool stuff. Well guys, thanks for coming along for the tour. I hope you had fun. To learn more about the mine, go to mines.edu.